Thinking of jumping into the One UI 8 beta? Hold up. Is it really worth it? Before you hit that update button, let's talk about why sticking with One UI 7 might be the smarter move, at least for now. Samsung just kicked off the One UI 8 beta for the Galaxy S25 series in select countries like the US, UK, Germany, and South Korea. More regions might get access soon, but that doesn't mean you should join right away. Here are 5 solid reasons to stay on One UI 7 until the full stable version of One UI 8 drops. One UI 7 is already stable and feature-rich. The Galaxy S25 comes with One UI 7 out of the box, and everything works smoothly. No crashes, no random bugs. Meanwhile, One UI 8 beta is still under testing, meaning new updates could break or remove features. If you're not a developer or bug tester, there's really no need to dive into unstable territory. Bugs are a given in betas. Beta equals bugs. That's just the truth. From random glitches to features not responding properly, these updates can mess with your daily phone usage. One UI 7, on the other hand, is rock solid. Why trade stability for stress? Your data might be at risk. Got photos, videos, or important files on your phone? Think twice. Beta software can sometimes cause crashes or data wipes. Unless you've fully backed up everything to a cloud or external drive, it's not worth the risk. One UI 8 isn't a huge leap yet. Yes, One UI 8 brings improvements, but they're small compared to the big jump from One UI 6 to One UI 7. Right now, most changes are UI tweaks or behind-the-scenes upgrades. Waiting for the final version ensures you get all the polished features with none of the hassle. The stable version is just around the corner. The good news? Samsung won't keep you waiting too long. The stable One UI 8 is expected to roll out by July or August. So, if you're not in a rush, just chill. You'll get a better, bug-free experience without delaying the future update to One UI 9. Unless you love dealing with bugs, risking your data, and being a test subject, stay on One UI 7. You're not missing much, and the wait for One UI 8 stable is almost over. Patience, a better phone experience.